Hello YouTubers, this is my fifth try of my another tutorial. We're going to learn how to find your processor name and its logical frequencies. So let's get started. I hope I don't have to do another try since I failed 5 times because of stupid idiot. Anyways, so go to new project. First let's just undebug this and then go to new project, discard, and then you name whatever you want. I'm gonna just give it blah blah blah. Okay, let's go. Resize your form if you like, or just leave it as is. And then you need a for label. Well, let's just first get this label, and then you gotta right click, copy, and then you paste. Oops, extra. Don't need extra. Adios. So then you go to label 2 here, label 3 here, and label 4 here. And then okay, so you need to rename label 1 to name or whatever you want. It's totally up to you. And label 2 you can call either frequency or speed. And then keep in mind that label 3 is going to be your name, and label 4 is going to be your CPU speed. And also we are going to modify the title just to make it interesting. So we're going to use the dim value, dim as string value. So dim CPU name as string. Now the CPU name can be whatever you want to call it. I just call it CPU name because it's easy to identify. And then CPU name we are going to call up the registry equals. Okay, this is the part where I messed up, so let me try it again. My.Computer.Get Registry.GetValue, and then you open growth, and then you open slash normal code, and I'm just gonna go back here and copy this instead because I don't want to redo that again. I can't afford to make another error. So copy. This is not called cheating. This is called making an alternative. Okay, so basically you go to H key, local machine, hardware, description, system, central processor. It could be this one could be either 0 or 1 depending on how many cores you have and which core you want to monitor. I'm just gonna monitor the default core, and then I'm gonna call this ProcessorNameString. This is our name string. And then we're going to press enter, and then label 3, my friend. That text is CPUName. CPUName, right on. And then we're going to make another dim value. That's going to be for the frequency. Anyways, dim. Wait, is it right? FREQ as string. Remember that FREQ does not have to be there. It can be anything you want. And then Freq equals My.Computer.Reg. What have I done? Yeah. Registry.Get. And then you open parentheses, open quote, and Control V. Or you type what you can copy the 1 from the top, and then the only thing you have to modify after you copy it is the value that the label is reading, which is the processor name value, which you have to change that one to the squirrely sign, and then MHZ, no space, it's megahertz. And then you're gonna go to enter, and then okay, try again. Label4.Text equals FREQ. Okay, for the title we do Me.text equals CPU name and the and sign and the open quotation mark, and then you do the comma, and then you space, and then you close quotation mark, and you make another sign, and then you type FREQ for your speed, and then you open another end sign, and then you make an open quotation mark, and then you press space, and then you type MHZ, and then you close the bracket. I mean the quotation mark, and then we're gonna debug this bad boy. And look what you got. It's Intel Core 2 Duo E7500 at 2.93 GHz and running at 2933 MHz. And also you can change that to gigahertz just by doing the divided by 100, and well, you will have to also do the if statement, but I'm not going to deeply into it because that's not what this tutorial is really deep, because this is meant to be for basic beginner's guide. And well, I forgot to add megahertz, so let's go add megahertz to it for fun. I mean, not for fun, but for real. And then you're gonna press F5 to debug it again. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oops. Anyways, you get the idea. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and if you have any questions or comments, anything, just please post it on the comment bar, yeah. Or you can PM me, or vice versa. And one apple maker will say, thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope it is helpful to you. And please subscribe to my videos if you love my subscribe to my account if you love my videos. Sorry. Just got so busy talking to myself. Anyways, I will be calling this to an end. So, adios.